What you see in front of you here is our StarX extruder. It's 120 millimeter by 40 L/D, length to diameter ratio. It's specifically designed for the processing of PET for the packaging industry, sheet industry. So the key features of this product is with regard to the clarity and optical appearance of the PET sheet that's being manufactured due to the optimal removal of the volatiles and moisture in the PET resin during the processing. So typically a standard system would consist of the extruder where the material comes in at the feed section. It gets processed in the single screw section here. Then it goes into the key component, which is the devolatilization zone of the extruder. And we'll show that on the other side in closer detail. And then it exits the extruder, typically goes through a melt filtration phase, and then into a sheet die and onto the roll stack for the formation of sheet that's later made into food packaging. So the key advantages of this technology compared to alternate technology for processing PET is the energy efficiency. And in the process of manufacturing PET sheet, you have to dry the material and remove the moisture and volatiles. And there's several ways to do it. One is a desiccant drying system and crystallization, and that's not very efficient. The second phase, second way to look at it, is to do a compounding application where you have multiple ports to remove moisture, and it's very expensive and technology. So what we've done is we've combined technologies of infrared drying prior to the extrusion process that we don't have on display here, but we're focusing on our second stage of that process, which is the extrusion and devolatilization. So we can go on to the other side of the machine, and I'll show you the devolatilization chamber and why it's effective in this process. The development of this technology is very useful in many regions of the world, but specifically in Mexico and Latin America, where the growth of PET for packaging is at a very good growth rate. It's important to have the highest quality sheet. Because the manufacturing cost and the manufacturing time, you want to have the highest yield and the highest quality product. The manufacturing of the sheet that this extruder will do yields a sheet that has low thermal stress, high optical quality, which then allows you to run the thinnest gauge sheet possible and make the highest quality package for the consumer.